Quite a lot of number does not know that turning off their Wi-Fi does not mean that the Wi-Fi is actually off. As you can see right here, this Wi-Fi here is on, and by the time I turn it off, you'll be surprised that this Wi-Fi here is not yet turned off. So let me show you on how to simply turn off your Wi-Fi completely without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do after you have turned off your Wi-Fi, just like what you see right here, next thing you need to do is to make sure you go to your phone settings. So click on settings right here. Then it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on location. Then it's take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do right here is to click on location services. Then it take you right here. The next thing you need to do right here is to click on Wi-Fi scanning. Then it take you right here. Lastly, make sure you turn off this toggle button. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply completely turn off your Wi-Fi and block any unnecessary Wi-Fi scanning while you are off internet on your Android phone, on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.